Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to fix an Instagram draw option not showing problem. Okay, let's start. First of all, go to your phone setting and follow my step. Scroll down, now tap one apps. Scroll down, now search your Instagram apps. Now tap one storage, clear data and cache all apps permission. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your Instagram apps. Now search bar and search your Instagram apps. It is already updated. Now open your Instagram apps. Now tap one story. Now click on Messenger. Dear friend, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.